Hey there guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. We are currently in Hostinger, an affordable and beginner-friendly web hosting provider. In this video, I will be showing you how to connect your domain to Hostinger. This time, our domain will be from Namecheap. First, we will need to figure out what to use in order to connect our domain to Hostinger. For that, we need Hostinger's name servers. In order to find that out, we would need to navigate towards the left side of the screen on our Hostinger main window and click on the domain's drop-down button. Head right on into the domain portfolio section of our site and click on Manage on any of our active domains. Once there, we can see on the screen details regarding our Hostinger domain. Look for what says Name Servers. By default, you should see something like this. Keep that close because we are going to need them later on. While that is ready, we need to head over to where our domain is currently being hosted. In this case, it would be Namecheap. To go to Namecheap's domain list from all the way to the left of the page as well. To proceed, we would need to click on the Manage button on the specific domain that we want to connect. From here, it is quite simple. Simply copy and paste the name servers from before over in Hostinger onto these name servers on Namecheap like so. After that, you can go ahead and confirm it and you are good to go. It takes around 24 to 48 hours or up to 2 days in order to fully incorporate your changes worldwide. That is it for this video. Thank you guys once again for watching.